If you want to make money on YouTube with a YouTube automation channel, then what I'm about to show you is the single most important thing that you need to do. It's the difference between a channel that makes money and one that doesn't. I'm not talking about the channel views or growth here. If you would like to know the exact process I use to accelerate channel growth, then I'll put links in the video description to where you can get full step-by-step training. This video is about what you need to do to ensure your channel will actually make money. If you don't do this, then your chances of financial success are low. I made the mistake of not doing this on my last channel. This is the one that I created as a demo for my training program to demonstrate how quickly you can explode growth and get monetized. And even though it got hundreds of thousands of views, it doesn't currently make that much money. I call it my ugly duckling channel. It's one that has potential to be a swan one day, but right now it's neglected and needs some love. I currently only upload once a week, and I'm not that interested in the topic. I've also changed the target audience multiple times since starting out, which you really shouldn't be doing. What I needed to do before starting was something I like to call the YouTube Automation Business Plan. This is a business after all. You see, it's not always the number of views that you get on a channel that's important. Sure, you want as many as possible, but what you do with those views and how targeted they are for your monetization plan is what really matters. Not all views are made equal. I have small channels that make much more than larger channels. Everyone talks about YouTube ads as the main way to make money, and yes, they are great, but it's rarely the main way that you make money from a channel. Treat ads as a secondary income source or an added bonus. Remember, there is always a risk that YouTube could demonetize you one day, so you don't want to put all your eggs in one basket. Plus, if you're making the content yourself, you'll be limited to the amount you can actually create. So you want to squeeze as much juice as you can out of each video. I'm currently in the process of planning to launch a new channel next month, so I thought I'd take you through part of the planning process I use to create profitable channels. That way, you can do the same. So let's take my Ugly Duckling channel as an example. It's a channel that targets men's dating advice. It's very general, and at the moment, it covers everything from attraction, psychology, and confidence. So the first thing I should have done before starting the channel would be to ask myself the following questions. Number 1, who do you serve? So who are your target audience? Be as targeted as possible here. So for example, it could be just men. But to be more targeted, I could say it's for single men that struggle to get dates with women. So straight men who are single and are looking to get better at dating and attracting women. Number 2, what do they ultimately want? What's the viewer's end goal? What is the outcome that this group of people want? So it could be to date more women and improve their success rate. Number 3, how are you going to help them achieve this result? So I'm going to create content that will give men tips on understanding how to attract women and improve their dating skills. Nothing else. I'm not going to talk about anything that is not relevant to them achieving their goal. This is the mission of the channel. I now have a single focus of who I serve with this channel and what content I need to create for them. The next step is your monetization plan. Again, forget about YouTube ads here. Ask yourself what the next natural step is for them to get closer to their goal. How can you potentially make money from every view on this channel? Go back to the outcome of what your target audience wants. They wanted to attract more women and improve their success rate. So they want more information. They want proven strategies. So this could be full training from dating experts for men. As far as I can tell, there aren't really any physical products I could offer them to help them reach their goal. This means I have 2 choices. Affiliate info products, or creating an online course of my own to sell. Now, as I currently know next to nothing about this topic or what will sell well, I will start with affiliate products. Affiliate products are other people's products where they pay you a percentage of each sale you refer. If I then make good money from certain affiliate products, I could invest in getting a course of my own created later, either by doing it myself or paying someone else. So my first port of call will be clickbank.com. This is one of the best and biggest platforms out there for affiliate info products to promote. They have products on just about every niche you can imagine. If I go inside and search for, say, how to attract women or how to talk to women, then it will show me the possible matching products that I can sell. If there aren't any products to sell, then you may need to go back to the drawing board and rethink the topic of your channel. Most info products on ClickBank will pay you at least 50% for each sale, which is great as you don't need to create anything or work directly with the customer. You want to look for products that are selling well and make sure the sales page and product are a good match for the next step of your audience. I'll create other videos on affiliate marketing in future. But once you have a product you want to promote that matches the goal of your audience, you are ready to move forward. Don't worry, you can switch this out for another product later if it doesn't sell. Then all you need to do is put the links in your video descriptions and push people to those links at the end of each video by saying something like, if you would like to discover how women want you to talk to them, then check out the links in the video description. You want to improve on this, but keep it general enough that you can switch out the links for different products later. So to recap, you know who you serve, what they want, the type of content they want, and a product to offer those people who want more in-depth training. There will always be some people that want to go deeper than the content on your channel and will click to learn more. Having this single focus for your channel will help you keep heading in the right direction while making more money as you grow. With that said, if you would like full step-by-step training on building profitable YouTube channels, then check out the links in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside the next training video.